recording already?
Yeah.
Gotta get loose. Gotta get loose. Hold on. I'm gonna take my seat.
On the squat. Well done.
Welcome, fellow car enthusiasts. My name's JD.
I'm Eric.
This is Eric, and this is Gridline Go.
Kind of our intro.
Yeah, we're just working on it. That's our little. Yep.
So today I have a very hypothetical question that is kind of fun to just theorize and have fun with. And I'm going to ask you guys this too. We're going to touch on what we have planned, but I want to tell you this. If you could have, hypothetically, one vehicle, only one vehicle, nothing else. Money was not an issue, not a factor. You couldn't sell that car and buy another one. This was your car for a lifetime. It's not going to break down. It is it. This is the car, the only car you can have. What car would that be?
What do you think you would if you could choose one car, this is the vehicle that you had, do everything in, what would it be?
That one car would definitely have to be about a 2008 Range Rover Land Rover. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, well, you know, the thing just breaks down. So this is the fun part about the hypothetical. If you erased that, it's a beautiful car.
I know it's newer and it's probably different, but I'm just...
This is the theory.
I get it. Okay,
The
I get it. So
so
it can never break down?
No, never.
And if
this
it did,
is
it was
fun,
paid for.
This is the fun hypothetical. What car would fit your lifestyle the best? And this is the fun hypothetical part.
So what are your points? Prove it.
The biggest reason.
Why do you want a mom wagon forever?
Ain't no mom wagon.
Mom wagon
Relax.
forever. Forever. Tell me something good about it.
I'll tell you three something goods about it. Okay, and these will fit my lifestyle perfectly.
Okay.
One, it's got a V8. I won't have to worry about not losing that grumble. That grumble's going to be there if I want to do something.
You gotta need that V8.
I need that V8 because I like to tow my little camper. I've got a little 14-foot camper, which is nice. I like camping. I like going outside, outdoors. And my other point would be off-roading. It's very much off-road capability.
It is capable. You might hurt it.
It's hypothetical.
Okay, it's not going to look pretty when you're done, but it'll probably make it.
That's fine. See, it's hypothetical. It's not going to break down or anything like that. It's going to be there regardless. So off-road capability is pretty nice.
It is.
And my last point is, I could take it home, wash it up, and then take it out on a nice dinner because it is a nice enough vehicle where I can take it out as a night, like a date night vehicle. You know, it's just a nice all-around car.
Yeah.
For my personal standards,
I can follow that. I can definitely I can understand where you're coming from with that.
That's all hypothetical.
Yes. You know what mine is? Trophy truck. Trophy truck.
Why?
Trophy truck. Why not? Who would not want a trophy truck? Dude, it covers.
You gotta go get your groceries. I could put groceries in a Land Rover.
I could put groceries in a trophy truck.
Where?
In the passenger seat.
That's not a lot of groceries.
That's fine. I'll zip tie the box on the back of it. I don't care. It's totally practical. I'll make it practical. Yeah. See, you know what I'm saying? It's fine. Doesn't need any of that stuff. It is very practical. It's fast. Okay?
Logic.
Very fast. Off-road. Fast off-road. I gotta say that because there are things that definitely go faster than on the street. Fast off-road. Does really, really, really cool burnouts. Who doesn't want burnouts? And it's you know, you could do pretty much anything in a trophy truck. Maybe towing might be a little interesting with the soft suspension, but the only thing I'd really want to tow would be a trophy truck somewhere. So if I could just drive it.
You're gonna tow a trophy truck?
Yeah.
A trophy truck?
No, I'm saying that because
gotcha.
it would be the one and only vehicle. The only reason I would need something to tow is because I can't drive the trophy truck. But this is all hypothetical. I could drive the trophy truck, so there you go. Problem solved. It takes itself to where I need to take it. And it'll never break down, so hey, that's perfect. Just anything, it could pass. It could pass almost anything except for a gas station. That'd be kind of an issue. But it's still, in my mind, the most practical thing. And
you won't be able to take your lady out.
yes, I can. No, date night's perfect. Date night's perfect. Perfect. No
doesn't
problem.
even have a door.
It's okay if she doesn't want to get in through the window. I don't want to date her. Come on. You know what I'm saying? It's perfect. So it's kind of a test. You can give them the test. Haven't you seen the BJ Baldwin, the recoil videos? Jump in the
Oh, jeez.
Yeah,
oh,
no,
yeah,
it's perfect, dude.
man.
It's so practical. You don't have to wait in traffic. You can just drive everywhere off road. It's not it. Trophy truck, definitely. Trophy truck. Trophy truck wins.
All right. Well, that definitely shows you the two different personalities between JD and me.
The trophy truck.
Trophy truck and Land Rover. Let us know what you guys take this into consideration. It's a fun game to play with your fellow car enthusiasts.
Yeah, just ask your buddy what he'd say.
Your coworkers. If you could have one car, only one, nothing else.
That's it.
Feel free to modify it, but as much or as little as you want. But that's your one car.
One vehicle.
That's it. It's not gonna break down. Money's not an issue. Gas is not an issue. And see what kind of answers you get.
It'd be interesting.
Kind of shows you their personality. It's a little fun personality game. So
Trophy-
let us know.
trophy truck.
Put it down in the
Trophy truck.
Trophy truck. Put it down in the comment section.
Definitely throw us a comment.
Let us know what you guys have. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Hopefully it was a thumbs up.
Definitely. And subscribe.
Subscribe. And
Like.
we'll be doing videos weekly. We'll be doing weekly releases. So please hit that little bell down there. That way you
Notifications
know
on.
when we are putting new video and content up for you guys.
And you guys could watch and laugh and listen and comment and shoot us some of your insight. We love it. We'd like to hear from you.
And we'll spit it back at you. So we're interested to see what you guys have, because that's one of those questions that I like to ask.
It's fun.
It is. So
Signing off.
see ya.
See you guys.